Jeff here with Fatkids Barbecue. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I thought, you know what? I think it's time for me to come back and start posting some more videos. So we're going to start out today with a nice little tour of the deck here, and I'm going to show you some of the equipment that I'm going to be using in upcoming videos. So since we last filmed a video, I went out and I picked up this Uni multi-fuel pizza oven. If I had it to do all over again, I wouldn't have got the multi-fuel for such a small oven. I would have just got a gas one. The gas is a lot cleaner, and you can see the soot when I use charcoal on it or when I use some wood in there. So it makes it a mess, and this guy's a little too small, I think, to use the different types of fuels. Now you get a bigger pizza oven, great. Get a wood burning one. You get a little guy like this, I'm going to recommend that you get a propane only. So now we jump over to this side of the grill and we have our M16 Grunt. This is made by a company down in Mesquite, Texas. M Grills is the name of the company. I just picked this one up last winter, and I really just started using it. This is the grill that I use for competition for the State Cook-Off Association. It's a fun little grill. I have grill grates to put on it so you get the nice sear marks. They're hidden down in here. But this is a great little grill, love it. Now we move over one slot, and we have our Blackstone Griddle. I did pick up the 2-burner. I didn't think I really needed the 4-burner. And, well, it's working. Having a lot of fun with this. Made some steak fajitas on it last week. So, most of you guys who've watched my channel, you've seen this Traeger multiple times. I use this guy a lot for videos here. Love this guy. Great grill. This happens to be my favorite grill of all. I cook on this guy almost every single night. It's the Traeger Ranger. I cook everything on it. I've cooked steaks on it, I've cooked burgers on it, hot dogs, sausage, chicken, you name it, I cook it on there. I used to have a Weber gas grill for convenient quick cooks, and I finally said, you know what, I don't need it anymore. It was kind of old and beat up. I picked up this guy and I use it to replace the Weber gas grill. So now we're jumping down to the patio, which is a work in progress. It's been fun trying to get somebody to come and install pavers properly. They were supposed to be here, I don't know, in May, and now they're coming in August. So anyhow, right now we have our backwoods smoker on here. This is a chicken cooking machine. It is amazing, the chicken wings that come out of here. Anything chicken I cook in there, and it comes out phenomenal. All right, so now we're kind of in the backyard, and I've got the Yoder smoker. This is the YS640S on a competition cart. I use this at every KCBS contest that I go to. It will help me cook. It's a beast, let me tell you. This guy's unbelievable. I really, really like this grill. In fact, I like this smoker so much, well, I got a second one. How could you not, right? Unbelievable, these guys. All right, so now I went out and I bought myself a nice, I think it's 6 feet wide, 12 feet long trailer, and I have converted this into a mobile prep kitchen. I take this to every contest that I go to, and it has made life so much easier for me. It's crazy good. I'm gonna get the key and open it up and show you guys the inside. So now that we've made it to the inside of the trailer, I thought I'd share with you that I actually did this build out myself. So I stripped the walls down, I insulated the interior of it, I put the walls back up, and then I put this PVC board over the top. And then of course I had to put in some racks to tie things down for transportation and all that kind of stuff. So then you walk inside the trailer, and first I have a generator sitting in here. That's so if I get to a contest and the power stinks, I can have reliable power to power the Yoders. Then over here, I put in a nice cabinet set. These are aluminum cabinets, and they have everything that I need inside of there. Up front, I have a nice little refrigerator down below. Then up above, I put in a TV, because at competitions, I'll sleep in here at night. And in the back of the trailer, back across here, I'll put an air mattress. And it's actually not so bad. But you'll see everything I have in here. I have all my rubs and spices and everything that I need for competitions. And then on this side, I keep all my dry goods and my cleaning supplies and that type of stuff. I am in the process of loading up for another comp. I have a couple of weeks off, so I've been cleaning this guy and checking it all out. So just to make sure everything is good. But that's the trailer. So guys, that's the tour of all my grills. I hope you enjoyed seeing them as much as I enjoyed showing them to you. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Click that bell down below. It'll notify you when I'm going to be doing videos of all of these grills.